So you want to improve your art. Of course, this is the question that I get asked a lot. So here are a few tips for the art beginners who want to improve their art. So tip number one would be drawing lines and circles with a few shapes. And so this is a really important practice that you'll see many artists perform. This helps you in number one, practicing the spacing between the lines, and also refines your basics for art. So the next tips will be first dividing your drawings into their basic shapes, and the third would be drawing through your objects. I'll cover both of these together right here. So tip number 2 and 3 is where you really start improving or noticing your improvements from step 1. And why should you divide your objects into their basic shapes? Well, it helps you put the tip 1 into practice and helps you define the structure of the object that you're trying to draw. And while you draw through your objects, it helps you define the volume and the 3D structure of your object. So it really helps you out during the shading process. So the next level to your art journey would be gesture drawing. So no matter how much I stress on this, gesture drawing is something that you have to master to be an expert in figure drawing. Well, it really helps you out, and one, it helps you complete your drawings really quick, and second, it helps you correct your mistakes during the early stages. And another advantage of gesture drawing would be that it helps you practice proportions of your figure. So the next tip for your art journey would be observation. Again, this is something that beginner artists forget to do, is observe their drawings. They forget to check if the weight of their drawings is correct, if the figure is off balance, if it lacks realism, if it looks too much 2D, or if a line isn't drawn correctly, or if a curve doesn't have the curvature that it wants. So this is something to really keep in mind. So one more thing that I've seen many beginner artists do is that they don't practice enough. You have to understand this, that those famous artists that you see on TV or YouTube, it takes hours and hours of dedication to reach that level. And of course, to speed up your journey, I recommend you practice while taking notes. Not only do you have to go back and analyze your own projects, but also analyze that what an artist is doing while making their drawings that makes it look good. Of course, you have to take into account those curves, those lines that they are doing. How are they drawing their gesture drawings? How are they doing their figure drawings, and why in a specific pose? Why? And you have to also study that how poses affect the dynamics of your figure. So if you've made it this far in the video, so congratulations, and I've got a bonus for you. So the bonus is Michael Hampton's figure drawing book. I have got a link to it in the description, so you can download the book and study it according to your own pace, and I really recommend you to use the book. Of course, you can go online and search for other figure drawing books and guides for your drawing, and analyze them, study them, and get better at art. So thank you very much for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and peace.